For more than 72 hours, rescue workers have been trying to locate Arunachal Chief Minister's chopper that went missing on the 30th of April. Rescue teams have narrowed the search down to a 66-kilometer radius in West Kamang district. The Times now is with the rescue teams on the hunt for Dorji Khandu. Kashif Khosrow brings us this ground report.
We are here in the Deputy Commissioner's office in West Kamang district, Bomdila, from where the ground search operations are headquartered. In fact, you can see this is a team of local MLAs and MPs who have assembled here with the Deputy Commissioner. They are trying to ascertain where exactly the missing chopper could be. In fact, let me show you how they're working it out on the map over there. That's where the map is. That's where they're looking into where exactly the position of the chopper could be, and they're trying to ascertain how soon they can reach the place where it could have landed, or it could have gone somewhere. This is the map. This is where the strategy of the entire rescue missions from the ground. Remember, bad weather had made it very difficult for air operations to be conducted, and that is why ground operations became very important. And right here in Bomdila, a lot of strategy is being developed, and to make sure that the chopper is retrieved as soon as possible.
In fact, we have been speaking to a number of MPs and MLAs who were part of that strategy meet.
We believe that there has been some update on the chopper. What do you have to say?
Yeah, since for the last 3 days, due to the inclement and bad weather in Arunachal, the whole of Arunachal Pradesh, I think we could not make a breakthrough to identify the clue where the choppers has landed, or it has been dashed somewhere. Now, the latest input we have got from ISRO and from Sukhoi is that there are some white patches found in specific areas, and that is matched with the local inputs of certain sounds or some through some prayers or meditations. A lot of inputs are coming in, and we have identified certain specific areas within Arunachal Pradesh, not in Bhutan, where a little bit of consolidation of local forces is required.
So, sir, can you at this juncture confirm whether chopper is missing still, or is you can say that it's found somewhere? What is the position?
No, according to the ISRO inputs and some other agencies' inputs, no particular area has been identified where missing chopper is available, because the input from ISRO is mostly input penetration on the ground where metallic elements, objects are available. And from there, I think in an isolated area when a metallic objects are detected, so we can at least assume and ascertain that there are certain elements of truth into it. And we are going to concentrate our forces into that particular area instead of going beyond the boundary of India, in Japan, in Bhutan and other places.
We're given some locations, so where we have given our all efforts. There's a place called Nagajeji and Dunlegepu, which is known as Jinda Pahar. So like most of the, our force, I mean like all the local youths, the Jawans from SSB, ITBPF, and the local administrations and the police, they are all considered those areas.